How to fix Windows security icon meshing from System Tray and Task Manager Startup tab in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might not be seeing Windows security here on the System Tray and on the Task Manager Startup tab. Follow the steps to fix it. Click on the File Explorer icon. Go to the drive where Windows is installed. On my computer, it is installed on C drive. So I am clicking on C drive here. Go to the Windows directory. Scroll down and find System32. This one. Open this folder. Now look for SecurityHealthSystray.exe. This one. Open this file, right click and select open. You will experience Windows security icon on the system tray. To keep it permanently, you will have to modify registry. For this, click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes. Go to the video description and copy this command. This is registry editing command. Copy. Paste into the command prompt and hit enter. The operation completed successfully. Close the command prompt, close the other running tasks and restart your computer. The Windows security will appear in the taskbar startup tab and on the system tray as well. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.